Mark, get set.
Go!
I am here with our super son, Dylan and Amare, on today's edition of Dylan on Demand. It's Fearless Friday, March 13th, 2020. And at just 34 months old, Dylan has another trick to let out of his bag. Are you ready, son?
Yes.
Say hola, guys.
Hola, guys.
Okay, deal. Can you say, write my name in Spanish?
Yes.
Go right ahead.
Escribir mi nombre.
Oh, escribir mi nombre. Hey, go right ahead, son. So we have an exercise, an exclusive writing exercise we're going to share with you. Dylan traces the highlights so he can reinforce repetition, hand-eye coordination, and pattern of penmanship. He calls out the letters so he can recognize letters, not just by rote memory. Great job. Did you guys just see what happened? He switched hands at 34 months old. Hey, did you see that? R?
Yes.
As an industry leader in direct sales, I used to train people and tell them, who told your kid they were right or left-handed? Who told them that? And what made them settle for that? Harvey. Go right ahead. What made them settle? And he switched hands again. If you're going to have your kids settle, make sure they settle up. Because God does not bless mess, and he would not give you something that you do not have to use. Or, see, the problem is not our lack of resources and why, but our lack of resourcefulness. Because a child can learn as much as it wants, it just lacks a teacher. Say adios, guys.
Adios, guys.
Say like and subscribe, please.
Like and subscribe, please.